Hi guys, Gary here. I'm with Mark, and we're going to discuss your
67 Camaro, 572 Big Block Chevrolet.
That's awesome. Let's take a look. There's actually not too many people realize this, but years ago there was a company called Rusty Jones. Now, Rusty Jones used to do undercoating and protection for the cars back in the day. So let's take a look at this car. So Mark, what could you tell me about this awesome Camaro you got here?
Well, what we're looking at is an original 6-cylinder car, had a 256, 155 horsepower. Nice. Now we've converted it to a Dart Big M, Big Block Chevrolet, making 572 at the back of the motor.
Oh, wow. So this is so you're talking 572
yes, cubic inches.
Cubic inch, but 572 horsepower at the rear wheels?
No, at the back of the motor, we're making 692.
Oh, wow.
Then we'll go through the transmission, which is the M22.
Nice. Through
the drive shaft to the 12-bolt posi, we're probably making 590 at the rear wheels, because you lose a little bit, but
right.
It's an old Camaro. It turned out nice. It's owned by myself.
Some of the details I like. You kept it stock.
Yes,
the Steelies are beautiful on these cars.
Yes, a little story about the rallies. Normally there should be a bow tie there, but we wanted to use a Corvette flag there, so we put the Corvette flags in the middle to kind of mix it up a little bit.
Sure. So Mark, how long would a restoration like this take?
This was 2 years. We bought it as a 6-cylinder. We took the whole front end off. We redid the undercarriage, cleaned all the years of undercoating and issues.
Now, how is the metal underneath?
The metal was great. This was painted 12 years ago.
Okay.
This is years ago.
Oh no, kid! You didn't have to do the exterior at all.
No, you buy them right, and then it's a lot less work in the end.
Right. Now you just focus on the mechanicals.
That's correct.
That's incredible. I like what you did. I like the silver, the offset with the striping. Now, there's 3 to 4 things I say that really helps sell a vehicle. That's the interior, exterior, right? The engine compartment and the mechanicals. And this looks like it's 100%.
It's sorted. It's brand new. We literally finished this car about 2 weeks ago. Getting all the little issues squared away.
Nice.
But I'm excited to be here. You know, Dana puts on a great show, and an 7-inch motor that made 642 at the back of the motor. So
no kidding.
This is way overkill. We're going to see what this thing does, and hopefully it'll go to a new home.
Absolutely. Well, Mark, thank you so much for sharing. Really,
I appreciate your time.
Thank you.
S106.
S106.
Yes, sir.
1967 Chevy Camaro. No longer a 6-cylinder.
No longer a 6-cylinder.
This baby's going to be able to go down the street at a pretty good clip, I would think.
If you can get up there when this goes over, you have to hear what this sounds like. It's absolutely incredible.
Now, did you do with the exhaust? You got I see you got headers. You did any cross?
Yes, we put a chambered exhaust on this.
Wow, look at that. The whole clip came off.
So what we did is, obviously, we've got a big header there. It went from 3.5 inches down to 3, and then goes 3 inches through the pipes.
Okay.
To 2.5 chambered exhaust out the back.
Oh, wow.
And we decided to mix it up. We put a 1969 style tailpipe on this thing to kind of blow the sound straight out versus on the ground.
Okay. Wow. So you not only did you restore this, you had a lot of engineering and some thought that really went into this vehicle.
Yes. We sold the 68 and we decided to buy this one, and then a lot of phone calls, ideas through my father, through my uncle, and then this is the finished product.
It's amazing. I love it. Actually, I love all cars. My son and I build Mustangs and stuff, but I have had Buicks, I've had Chevys.
Yes.
And there's something about these Camaros, 67 to 69, just gorgeous.
Yes.
So good luck today.
Thanks again.
Thank you.